I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer. And today I'd like to answer a question that I received yesterday. And that is, how can we avoid probate if the only asset that we really have is real property, a home? Well, there are two ways that you can avoid probate. The first way is a transfer on death deed. And the way that deed reads is that me, Guy, an owner of the real estate, an owner of the house, I quit claim or the property to myself, transfer on death to whoever I want to leave the property. The only catch with the transfer on death deed is that it needs to be recorded before you die. You can't keep it in a drawer and somebody can't record it after you die. And so then after you die, the folks who will be getting the real estate just have to prepare a transfer on death affidavit that'll be filed with the recorder's office. And at that point in time, the home will be transferred to whoever the original owner wanted the home to go to. So that's the first way. The second way, which would be more expensive, especially if the only thing that is owned is the home, and that would be a revocable living trust. An irrevocable living trust is a contract in which the person, the trustor, enters a contract with the trustee for the benefit of a beneficiary. So you can have a trust, you can go ahead and change the title of the home from Guy DiMartino individually to Guy DiMartino, trustee of the Guy DiMartino Trust. And then in the trust document, I would say something to the effect like, I want my home to go to my child, or I want my home to go equally to my children, or I want my home to go to somebody specifically. And at that point in time, after I pass away, the successor trustee will be able to sign a trustee's deed transferring the property to the beneficiaries, and that'll be recorded and the home will transfer without having to go through probate. The third way, which is really not a great way, is to transfer the property when you are living to, you can put the property in my name and whoever else with as joint tenants with rights of survivorship. The property will transfer at the time that I die and nothing would have to be done. However, if the folks that you're leaving the property to go ahead and sell the property, they are not going to get a stepped up basis. So when the sale of the home happens, they will look at what I paid for the house when I bought the house as opposed to the date of death value of the home. And that could cause thousands of dollars in capital gains taxes that would need to be paid. So there you have it. There are a number of ways to transfer property of real estate, transfer your property, your real estate, without having to go through probate. But it's something you probably want to discuss with a lawyer or a confidant. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.